Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel guys. This is Erica guys, Love Simple Cooking TV, and so guys, today I'm gonna make some juice for my grandson. So come along with me guys. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for the comments, thank you for the likes. Please continue to subscribe and comment and like my videos. Share them if you want to. So guys, today I'm gonna make some natural juice for my grandson. So guys, you don't really have to buy store-bought juice for your baby. You can make your own fresh juice for your baby without preservative or sugar. So guys, this juice not gonna have any preservative, no sugar. So I'm just gonna peel these and then put them through my juicer guys. So come along guys. So guys, I'm not gonna mix the fruits together. I'm just gonna peel them. So what I'm doing now, this is plum. So I'm gonna peel the plum, take off the skin. Because guys, you know nowadays, this stuff have all kind of thing on them. So what I do, I peel it. I'm gonna peel it and take out the seed. So whatever is on the skin, you don't have to worry that it's gonna be in the baby juice because you take off the skin. So I'm gonna peel all the fruits guys. So I just peel it and then I cut it like this and take out the seed. Okay, so you can put the seed in the juicer. So I buy a Susties juicer guys, and I'm using this juicer to make all my stuff. Guys, the fruits is already washed. Even though I'm peeling it, I wash it. So everything is already washed. So let me take out the skin out here. So that's my plum right there. Peel the other one, peel one more. So I'm making them separate. I'm not adding the plum and the pear together. I'm juicing them separately guys. So guys, you see, you can make your own baby stuff. You don't really have to buy the store-bought stuff. This one is very ripe. See? So my first grandchild, I'm gonna try give him as much natural stuff as I can. This one is very ripe guys, so it's a little bit harder to peel, but that's okay. Patient. So there you go guys, all the skin is off. Take out the skin over here. So now I'm gonna peel it, cut this off. Cut off the skin, see? Cut the flesh off. Even though it's very juicy, but that's, you just take off this, take off the meat. Cut off all the meat, guys. Baby deserve to get healthy stuff. So there you go, guys. That's the plum right there. And so I'm gonna do the plum first. So now I'm gonna peel the pear. So I'm gonna put the plum over there. I'm gonna peel the pear. The pear is a little bit harder because it's not fully ripe, or it's not ripe, it's still green somewhat. Okay guys, so this is the fruit all peel. The pear is peeled, the plum is peeled. So guys, now I'm gonna put everything in the juicer. I'm not gonna put the plum and the pear together guys, I'm doing them separately. And so guys, I'm gonna juice all these fruits for the baby. Yes guys, sometimes I put the fruit inside to get some of the juice, the extra juice. I put this back. Squeeze out all the juice guys. So I think this juicer work very well with fruits, like heavy duty vegetable and stuff. It doesn't work well. It works very well with fruits. But you have to cut them up guys. They tell you that you can just put the fruit, peel the fruit and drop it in here. But what I realized, if you cut up the fruit, the machine works better with the fruits that is cut up. So guys, see, it's very dry. Okay guys, so some of the fruit is still in here, and as I'm gonna do the plum, so I'm gonna make sure all the fruits come out. Okay guys, I'm gonna take out all the fruits guys, because I put back the crushed one in there, so sometimes I have to go back in hand. That's that guys. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna pour the juice out. So guys, if you want to strain this juice, you can strain it. If you don't want to strain it, that's fine. Okay guys, I'll be back guys. So guys, because it's not a lot of juice, I'm just gonna pour this in twos. So this is half of the juice. So that's how you do it guys. You can just pour it in zip bag and just put them in your freezer. So when you want it, you just see guys, that's it. Zip it. So this is half a cup. Maybe I should pour this in 3, so that baby can only get quarter cup every time. Yes. Whoa guys, I leave the mash thing open. So what I do guys, you just pour some water on this. Alright, I'm gonna make each of them 1/4 cup. So I think you can get probably 3 ounces. So you just add some water, room temperature water, pure not straight pipe water guys, you have to add. So I'm gonna make 3 bags. See, 1/4 cup, and you keep that in the freezer. When you're giving it to the baby, you add some water. So if it's 3 ounces of juice, you add 3 ounces of water. So now guys, see, I got 3, 1/4. So these gonna go in the freezer for the baby. Okay guys, so let's go and start juicing the plum. Put back the cup over here, and we're gonna put the plum in. Alright guys, so here goes the plum. I don't think I'm gonna get a lot of juice from the plum because it's just 2 little plum. This machine is very good guys, but you just have to make sure you cut up your fruits. It works better with fruits. So guys, I'm not gonna throw out the pulp. I'm gonna put it down. Sometimes you can blend it out and make for the baby. You can put it in your bullet and make baby, like, you know, like how you have applesauce. You could make sauce with this. So there you go guys, that's finished. So let's do the plum. I don't have a lot of plum, so I'm just using 1 bag. So it's just a little bit of plum guys, it's not a lot, but that's okay. So this is enough to just add some water. Drain out. So you see there, guys, the same 1/4. So you have 1/4. So now we have 1/4 the juice. So this is a baby juice. So this will last the baby for about 3-4 days. So this is enough for 4 days, guys. So if you make your own baby juice, you keep it in the freezer. That's easy, guys. And I think it's more cheaper than buying food from outside. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please comment, subscribe, and share. Especially this, you could share this video, guys, because this is teaching mothers and grandma that they can make their own baby stuff. You don't have to buy the stuff in the store that have preservative and all those stuff. No sugar is in this. It's the pure fruits. Pure fruit. So you just juice your stuff and put it in baby bottle with some other water and with some water, purified water, and that's it. Baby get healthy juice. Healthy juice. That's plum and pear, guys. Also, guys, this is watermelon juice. So I made this yesterday for the baby. He had half of this yesterday. So this is watermelon juice. No sugar, nothing added. You just peel your watermelon, put it in your blender and juice it. That's it, guys. So guys, you know, you can make your own baby juice. You don't have to buy juice. All right? Take care of yourself. Until next time, remember, Jesus loves you. So guys, please comment, subscribe, and share, and take care.